Hello, my name is Henrik von Scheel. I'm best known as the father of the fourth industrial revolution, and I'm really excited to come to the Manufacturing Leadership Summit in Liverpool on the 13th and 14th November. This is the first time I'm coming there. I will open with a keynote. This is the most prestigious manufacturing leadership summit in UK, so I'm very excited to be there. I will discuss what is the second version on smart manufacturing, what are the trends that are really affecting it. I will also discuss about the second area of operational excellence, how you can apply it. And I'm looking forward to hear from many of the leaders in manufacturing what their experience is on their digital journey, how they focus on cost savings, how they connect tighter to their operations, and we'll want to elaborate with them on the next element on how supply chain management is changing. I think the unique setup with the manufacturing is that they have a very strong research element to it, but they have an element where they can connect the leaders in the field, where you can discuss topics and share best practices around it. So look forward to see you there.